Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two pedestal fans. So here I got the Amazon Basics pedestal fan, and here I got the Shark FlexBreeze. So the Shark FlexBreeze, it is a cordless one also. I've got it plugged into the power outlet. It's a continuous fan, but you can also, so let's turn it on. It has switches up here. We got different speeds. We also have a little remote that stores right here on the back. So let's ramp up the speed. Now if I press this little release button right here, I can take it off, put it on this little tripod, and now it's got a built-in battery that on high speed will last for about an hour and a half, on low speed lasts about 27 hours. There's what the back looks like. It does oscillate left or right, and I can move it up or down. Let's fold the tripod, put it back on the base. Now it's going to charge the battery and have continuous fan. So here we have the Amazon Basics. It also comes with a little remote control. We've also got controls here on the front. I can turn it, you got to turn it on, turn the speed. It's got 3 speeds. It's got really high, different modes. I can oscillate it also. So this one will oscillate. And again, this one does oscillate also, which it is now. But again, this one has a built-in battery that you can take it with you. Pretty neat. This one's a bigger fan. This one's more of a directional, like it's gonna be like a cone of air going towards you, but this one is super quiet. The Shark, when it's on low, you can't not hardly hear it. The Amazon Basics, I've got it on 1, you can hear it, and it still moves quite a bit of air. This one on low is pretty low. Now height-wise, the Shark is not adjustable as far as height, other than you can take it off the pedestal. About 33 inches to the center. The Amazon Basics about 35. I can adjust this up a little bit, about 8. I can adjust it up 8 inches more. Both of them are very stable. And again, I can move this one up or down. And same with the Amazon Basics. I can move it up or down like that. So I hope this comparison video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.